What body part do we use to smell cookies? Tina, do you know?
Yes, I use my nose to smell cookies.
Awesome, perfect. What do we high five with? Tina, what do you high five with?
I high five with my hand.
Perfect. I high five using my hands, with my hands. Robert, read this sentence.
There is some orange juice, leather, cheese, and chicken in the fridge.
Very good, Robert. Very, very well done. So, Mina, can you please read this sentence?
In March, they then went to the
Largest
beast in the
village. Okay, good job. So let's start with Henry. Henry, can you please read this right here?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good. Okay, good job, Henry, with the th. Okay, how about Mina? Can you read this word? It's pronounced athlete.
athlete.
Good. Athlete. Okay. Can you try reading this one, Robert, with the in the middle of the word?
Birthday.
Birthday. Okay, how about Mina? Mina, can you read this sentence, please?
Thank you for thinking about your
And recycling.
and recycling.
Good. Okay, just this one, okay? When we say this, we want to make sure it sounds like the.
Yeah.
Lena, can you go first, please? In your free time, you like doing what?
Yes. In my free time, I like reading books.
Awesome. In her free time, Lena likes reading books. Very good. Is there something you hate doing, Lena?
I hate play football.
You don't like playing football. Okay. Awesome. Tina, can you try filling in all of these?
My name is Tina. I am 8 years old. My favorite subject is English and painting and art. My hobbies are playing with my younger brother and travel. My favorite color is rainbow and pink. My favorite food is cake, pizza, soup, and bread. My favorite animals are peacock and birds.
Great job, Tina. Very, very good. So I'll see you on Wednesday, okay?
Goodbye, teacher.